Well, welcome to a gardening video. It's been a while since I've done a gardening video. So behind me down here, what you're going to see are some new blueberry bushes. We've got some new blueberry bushes and some new strawberry plants. This spot last year was actually full of strawberries. That was the spot for the strawberry towers. Roll the clip. Scully running around. You're following me, huh? She always follows me when I'm hanging around the garden. Anyway, I've pulled those strawberry towers out of there. They're going to become strawberry hangers. I've already cut them in half. This is what they look like. So these are now strawberry hangers. So these strawberry hangers, they're going to go on the fence. They've been converted from the old strawberry towers. Did this for a few reasons, mainly because they all died. I think it was just mainly the fact that they weren't getting enough sunshine, but also this is going to make it easier when they're smaller and lighter like this. It's going to make it easier in the future to change out the strawberry plants. So each one will take 8 strawberry plants. Basically it doesn't look pretty anymore, but it'll do the job. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, one on the top. And when I fill them in, I'm not going to fill them in with every single strawberry plant filled in, because what I found last year was that the strawberry plants were creating runners, and that's when it sends out a little shoot with like trying to create a brand new strawberry plant. So out of the 8 spaces that we can put a strawberry plant into these new hangers, and these are going to hang on the fence, we're only going to put 4 plants in, even though there's 8 spaces. I'll show you later what I'm actually going to do. And one of the things that I learned from last year is that the soil loves to just fall out of these holes. So I've come up with the idea, the holes that I'm not going to use straight away and that I'm later going to stick the runners into, I'm going to put these bits of weed mat in there, and that's going to hold them in, just like that. And the plants themselves, I'm going to put the weed mat on top of the plant, and I'm going to cut little X and then put it on top of the plant. And that also is going to help stop the soil from dropping out. Well, I got all 4 done. Last thing is to stick some wire through the sides and then go and hang them up. Yeah, so after putting the towers, well, they're now hangers. After putting the hangers on the fence, you've got to give them a little bit of water, and then come back and give them a little bit of water again in a few minutes, because it takes time for the water to sink down. And as you can see here, if there is excessive water in there, it is going to drain out the bottom, because I've got drainage holes in the bottom here. So there you go. That's how you convert a strawberry tower into a strawberry hanger. I just drilled in these screws into the fence here last night, and it's just held on by wire. That's all it is, just wire, nothing fancy. That's why us Kiwis are known as, we have the number 8 wire approach. Here, the number 8 wire approach. Well, thanks for watching. If you have a question, leave a comment. I'll see you in the next gardening or DIY video. Bye. Scarlett, your tail is crushing the strawberry plant. Please do not crush the strawberry plant. Okay? Thanks.